So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alafia and we'll be working on a project that is late for submissions again.
Is there even a solution for this?
Of course, we are BTech student. Everything has a virtual gateway. And here comes our website.
So here we are with the landing page of our website, which is basically the text stranger strings, which will slowly fade into another, that is log into your details. When you click that small button right there, you will be redirected to a page that is role selection page. Now let me explain the working of this. The elements we have used is JavaScript, HTML and using Tailwind CSS.
So now let's just explore more about the role selection page. This is the very first page that appears where we'll decide how we'll interact with the PG dissertation management system, whether as a student or as a faculty. Each role appears with a smooth fade-in animation and hover effects using CSS transitions. Now, when the user hovers over a role card, it slightly enlarges and glows. This adds the professional touch and improves user engagement. Smart. This page is not just visually appealing, it's functional, intuitive, and role-aware. We wanted this page to feel more like visually striking and modern, so we added an animated vortex-style background to create an immersive, futuristic vibe. This clear separation of roles helps secure access, organize workflow, and a professional experience for each type of user. So this is all about the role selection page.
So we just got done with his part. Now we'll be moving on to Sakshi, who is gonna explain the login pages to us.
Let's take a quick look at the login and sign up page for both student and faculty. The first thing you will notice is how smooth everything feels. When the page opens, the form slides in and the button slides up when you hover. So we have used these small animation to make it more responsive, friendly and modern. For students, the login system lets them securely enter their password. Behind the scenes, PHP matches these details with the database. If it matches, PHP redirects to their personal dashboard where students can upload, review their dissertation. After a successful sign up, they get a small success message and redirected to the login page. After that, the process is very similar for the faculty member too. They have to log in with their email and password, and PHP checks it with their database. If it matches, it redirected it to their faculty dashboard where faculty can review the dissertation, give the feedback, etc. So in short, the login and sign up pages are built with a smooth interface, secure PHP backend and simple animation to keep everything user friendly and innovative.
Now I will take you to the student side. Student dashboard contains of typically submit section, progress update and deadline section. But as we have added reward points, submission status and some premium features which will be accessible from reward points. Update the status, like here we can see it is approved, under review, revision needed or approved. Reward points can be earned by different activities like helping your peers, or even you can help to give the feedbacks to the other peers among us. The premium features will be accessible with the reward points you have just earned. In the progress update, we will be posting it weekly and teacher will be providing some comments on the previous sections that we have given on the updates. On the research summary, it will be showing us how much our project is completed, and on the emergency help, we can access anytime and anywhere the lab assistance for our help.
So let's take you to the other side of this dashboard, which is the teacher's dashboard. So first of all, what does the teacher needs to do? They need to assign the work, right? The teacher can assign the work to the students, and the extension requests will be approved only if the student has points more than 500 and the completion is more than 50%. So here we go. This is the student feedback system. As soon as the student will upload their progress report, teacher will have the accessibility to provide certain feedbacks here and tell what are the shortcomings of the project, what are the shortcomings of the thesis, and what can be done to improve that. Your normal websites might ask you for money for premium features, but we are just asking for more reward points. The reward points will be on the basis of how is the student helping, who is the student helping, and what kind of help the student is doing. And that reward will be reflected in the teacher's side. The calendar will be shown here. We can just hide the calendar because it's no longer of use for now. We have this small accessibility tool right here. If we just want to access only the assignments, we can click here. And the schedule, of course. The schedule is nothing else but the calendar we have shown here. Interface, we can directly create the assignment because that is what we are giving to teachers.
Did I even talk about the HTML, the Tailwind CSS, and the JavaScript used here? Of course, we have used that. And on top of that, there is smooth connectivity between the student dashboard and the teacher's dashboard backend.
So this was Stranger Strings signing off.